For the sauce of stir-fry beef, we need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. As you see, that is the amount we need for the sauce. Then we add 1 tablespoon of soy, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, half teaspoon of cornstarch, a pinch of black pepper, a dash of sesame oil. Use your chopsticks or spoon to just mix all the ingredients for the sauce together. Make sure to get all the lumps in the cornstarch dissolved in the sauce.